guys, hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will solve the problems related to the quantization of charge. Okay. So the very first problem is how many number of electrons constitutes 1 coulomb of charge. So you are asked to calculate the number of electrons, right? In 1 coulomb of charge, that how many number of electrons makes the 1 coulomb charge. So we have already seen the formula, right? Of quantization, we know. So before going to that, we know the formula for quantization is what? Q is equals to NA, right? So first we will consider let. The thing which the quantity that we need to find is the number of electrons. So we will consider let the number of electrons be small n. Okay. And what we know the quantization of charge. We know the formula, right? We know the quantization of charge. So the formula is what is denoted by small q, right? And it is equals to Na. So here q is equals to Na. So the value for charge given, it is what, how much your charge value is, it's 1 coulomb, right? The value of charge is 1 coulomb. And we know E, the charge of electron, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. It is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So we will just substitute this value, and from here n is equals to what? Q by E. So now you will substitute the values, okay? So when you will substitute the values, n is equals to, the value of Q is how much? 1 coulomb, right? And for the charge of electron, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this will give you n is equals to 1.6. When you will divide 1 by 1.6, you can calculate it and see you will get 0.625 into 10 to the power plus 19, okay, number of electrons, which can be further written as n is equals to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. This will become 18, right? Just taking the decimal one place ahead, and this will be what? 10 to the power 18. This many number of electrons are required. This calculation part, you can do it on your own. Done? So this is very simple. You just need to see the values given to you and just put in the formula. Now we will see the next question. So here it is said, how many electrons must be removed, right, from a conductor so that it acquires a charge, how much? 3.5 nanocoulomb. So how many electrons must be removed? So here also you need to calculate what? You need to calculate n, right? So here you are having the formula. You can see charge, value of charge is given to you. What is the value of Q? Q is equals to 3.5 nanocoulomb. So first you will convert this nanocoulomb into coulomb. So it will be how much? 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Okay. For nanocoulomb means for nano you're having 10 to the power minus 9. Remember, the formula was Q is equals to Ne. Here also you need to calculate the value of N. So it's simple. N is equals to Q by E. So when you will put the value, N is equals to Q by E. And what is the value of Q? 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. And the denominator, you will have charge of electron 1.6, right? You will have how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So when you will do this calculation, N is equals to, you will get the value of this 3.5 divided by 1.6. It will give you almost 2.19, you can see 2.19, okay, into 10 to the power 10. This many number of electrons. So you will get this type of questions only. How many electrons are short? How many electrons are in excess? You might get to calculate the charge, the number of electrons, and all this. So the questions will be very basic. Clear? So I hope this is very simple questions, and you can attempt all the questions related to the quantization of charge. In the next video, we will see some questions related to the Coulomb's law. Okay, so in that we will see different problems of square, triangle, symmetrical charge problems, and many other problems. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.